Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by getting the camera live. Open your camera app now and make sure camera permission is granted. Once the viewfinder is active, point the phone at the QR code on a second device or printed page. Keep the code centered and steady. If your camera has modes, select photo or QR mode. This improves detection. Make sure autofocus and exposure lock in on the code. A quick tap on screen will usually do that and bring the code into readable range. Now you'll create a scannable image on the same device using practical tricks. Either display the QR in a mirror or on a second device, or open the QR image in split screen or in another app so the back camera can view it. Alternatively, use the front camera and a reflective surface to capture the displayed code. Once done, adjust distance about 6 to 12 inches so the camera can focus, and angle the screen to reduce glare so detection happens quickly. When the camera recognizes the QR, you'll see a notification or banner. Tap it to open the link or action. If nothing appears, make sure the QR image is sharp. Increase screen brightness, wipe smudges, or take a fresh screenshot and display that for scanning. If scanning still fails, close and reopen camera, try a third-party QR scanner, or temporarily enable flashlight to improve contrast. One key troubleshooting tip: check for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.